Hey guys, what's happening? Engineer Pat 529 coming with a few updates of what's going on. I apologize, like I said in the Q&A responses from August. I apologize that that video was late getting out. I have been so booked up this month with a whole bunch of stuff with work and also tending to some family obligations that I've had. I've been finally able to slowly work my way back into the studio and be able to work on some projects. Um, excuse me. I do have some videos coming out, but it's just going to be a really slow process right now as I'm slowly finishing up the little projects and then slowly getting back to the big stuff. A lot of stuff from this summer that has yet to even air are all in the process of being edited in various stages. There are a couple of changes to the channel that I'd like to aware you of. Part of it was stated in the Q&A responses, and I'm going to note that now in this video as well. Number one, the Q&As for that I've been doing are now going to be quarterly. It'll go effective October 1st. That will run from October 1st to December the 29th. So that's going to be every 3 months now. I've decided to do one every quarter, and it allows everybody to ask more questions in a much longer period. So if something happens and you list all of your questions, like, whoops, I would like to add this one, you will have more time to do that. And hopefully it will allow some new users to come in as well. That has been a very successful series, and that will continue to go, but we're going to do it quarterly, and we're going to try some new things. Uh, yeah, and next, this is one of the most important ones that I have. Uh, for the ones of you who do follow me in my community section as well, I do have a poll that's there, thinking about a new live series that we're going to do talking about um, Railfan Fun. Talking about the how-tos for Railfan and maybe some locomotive models and maybe some of the do's and don'ts, and also just maybe buying the right equipment. It's called 21st Century Railfan Fun. That is the quote unquote potential new series. So that's something I've been thinking about for the past month, and would like to get your opinions on how often we should do it. The poll is in my community section, and the choices are there. I'm going to let the community post speak for that, but that is up there for you guys to view and to vote on. The poll closes on September 30th. So you have 8 days left in order to cast your votes in. There have been some votes that have already come in. I would like to thank those who have voted, but please go to my community section to vote for that, so I can get an idea uh, on where we stand with it. So that's a potential new series that's going to be coming out. Model Railroad Mondays will be continuing the first Monday of the month. So uh, that right there is going to be coming up real soon. And let me look at the date real quick. Let's see here. The first Monday is October the 3rd. That's going to be our next Model Railroad Mondays episode. So start time is TBD. I will be putting that out in October's newsletter, um, which will be coming out here on October 1st. It'll be early that morning that when that will come out. So a lot of good stuff ready to happen. Excuse me. Um, so lots more happening on the channel. Hopefully, I'll be able to get some fall action in other places as well. Right now, a lot of this is just TBD. Uh, So we've got a lot of things going right now. A lot of awesome things are getting ready to happen. So be ready for some busyness on the channel once again. So anyway, guys, as always, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and remember to tap the bell for all the notifications on my latest projects. And I will catch you guys later. Peace.